Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue Riot Client is running, we could not uninstall. So you may be getting this error when you try to uninstall Riot Client or Valorant. So I'll be showing you why this error is occurring and the solution for it. The main reason why this error is occurring because you have Riot Client or Valorant running in the background, and after that you are trying to uninstall it. So whenever an application or software is running visibly or even in the background, you cannot uninstall it. You will be able to uninstall an application after it is completely closed. So the solution is going to be, we must stop the Riot Client or Valorant from running in the background, completely shut it down, and after that if we uninstall it, we won't be getting this issue. So now to check if it is running in the background, to the rightmost you will be having the arrow icon, right? Click that, and as you can see I'm having Riot Client and Riot Vanguard. Right click on Riot Client and click on exit. Okay, this will stop it from running in the background. Here also just right click on it and select exit. So it will say you this, you can just click on yes. This basically stops Riot Client from running in the background. As you can see, now it is not there. Now you click on OK, and if you try to right click on Valorant or Riot Client and select uninstall, you will be able to uninstall it. And in case if this method doesn't work for you, we can try stopping that particular software from Task Manager. So to open Task Manager, right click and select Task Manager, and here in some cases you will be having Riot Client or Valorant over there, like how my Chrome and other applications are appearing. So in that case you need to just scroll down and check in case if you have any process or software running related to Valorant. If you find that, click on it and select end task, similar to what I am doing here. This will also solve you the issue. After this, now just try uninstalling over here. This will definitely work. So as you can see, I just followed any one of these methods and was able to uninstall it. And even if all these methods doesn't work, I would recommend you to simply restart your application and directly try uninstalling without opening Riot Client and Valorant. That's also another solution. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.